Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I have some issues with my recorder. So now I decided to do it with this Zoom application. Absolutely, I say you, I record this previously and also make database connection and do all relationship things. So we have today we have to connect these all tables with relationships using this one-to-many and many-to-many relationships. Previously, I record this meeting and I also make the database. Finally, I realized my meeting is not recorded. So I'm so disappointed. Now I decided to do it again. So I recorded like 30 minutes or something now, but finally I can't get it recorded. So now I'm sure, yeah, I can see pause recording and stop recording options. So now I can realize this is recording. Okay. Now I'm coming to my question. What we got? Question said 15. So what is the database relationship between the supply table and GRN table? So if I explain you about this GRN table, so this long term is good received note, good received note. So uh, suppliers have this good received note when they supply some product to our store. So write it down in the ER diagram. So we are going to have ER diagram. Now you can see supply table and GRN table, good received note table. So if I explain you the relationship, one supply can have many good not received, many received nodes, many good received nodes, and according to considering one unique product, if you think this is next mobile store, so we are getting mobile phone examples. So you think one supplier supplies Samsung products, Samsung mobiles, so they can have many good received node for their for their products, for him product. So Samsung brand, we get if we get Samsung brand, we have Samsung A03, A05, Samsung Galaxy Note 3, Note 5, like them. We can have many products in Samsung brand. So let's consider one Samsung Galaxy phone. That's a unique product. So if supplier supplies Samsung Galaxy 3 mobile phone, he can have one good received note only. So now you can see if a supplier supply one unique product, he can have one good received note only. He can't have many good received note for that unique product. And also, many suppliers can't have one unique good received note for them, because if one supplier supplies Galaxy Note 3, you think, and other supplier also sells, other supplier also supplies Galaxy Note 3, they both of them supplying same product, but they are not unique because supply is also different. So they are not unique product. If we want to get unique product, supply want to be same, and supplier and supply good want to be same. So now you can see one supplier can have one good received note for unique product. So but considering this GRN table, good received note table, there will be many good received note for one supplier and one good received note for one supplier. So we can get many. Now we can know GRN table has many good received note for one supplier, or many good received note for many supplier, or one good received note for one sub. So now we can say this is the we can connect these two tables using this one-to-many relationship, one-to-many non-identified relationship, and we can say this is the many relationship side. So if I talk about it, when we select on this relationship button, so first we want to click on many relationship side, because I told you one supply can have many good received nodes, and many suppliers can have many good received node in this table. So this is many table, so many relationship side. So I will click on that first, and after I will click on this. Now you can see it connected like this. All right. This is the third time I saying that. Some issues, I don't know. Okay. Now I connect these two tables. All right. We are going to second question. What is the database relationship between GRN table and product table? Write it down in the other. All right. Now suppliers supply products. So shop owner want to sell products to customer. So we have really direct connection with the suppliers and products. All right, because supplier supplies product, they are the product in our product table. So we need to sell them to customers. So when we have some product, they are also in stock. So product table have direct connection with this stock table, and also supply have indirect connection with this stock table. So now I'm talking about what is the relationship between this GRN table and product table. All right, if supply have some direct connection with this product table, GRN also have some connections with this product table. So when we consider that connection, so it is also uh, same as this connection, because one product can have one good received, not only one. We are considering one unique product. I mean Samsung Galaxy. You consider a seller, a supplier, sellers, a supplier supplies Samsung Galaxy 3 product, and B supplier supplies Samsung Galaxy Note 3 product. So they both of them are same product but not unique product. So let's consider a supplier. A supplier supplies Galaxy Note 3. So that is unique product. So that product have one good received note. And B supplier supplies Galaxy Note 3. It has one good received note. And now you can see product table has many relationship, but good received note table has one relationship, because those two unique products, B supplies Galaxy Note 3 and A supplier supplies same product, but both of them are same product, not unique product. So those two products going to GRN table. GRN table can't get it in unique product, because they are all different. They are all same product but supplies from different suppliers. So now you can see product table have many relationship, and GRN table has one relationship side. So we can connect them with this one-to-many relationship. So I click on the product table first, and also click on this GRN table a second time, because we want to click on many side first, and after we can select one side. So I connect like that. Okay, now you can see it. I connect like that. You can see the connection. All right. Now we are okay. We need to go to third question. So going to third question, what is the database relationship between the product table and the stock table? Write it down in the ER diagram. All right. Stock table and product table connection. Okay. Now let's go to stock table. Let's get brand, Samsung brand. So if we get Samsung brand, we have many Samsung brand products in this stock table. So, and also we get unique Samsung brand, I mean Samsung Galaxy 3, like that. We can have many Samsung Galaxy 3 in the stock, and also one Samsung Galaxy 3 in the stock. So now product table can have many brands in one stock, and also one product can have in stock table. So now many products can stock in this stock, and one product also can stock in this stock. So now you can see product table has many relationship, and stock have one relationship. So we need to get this one, and we click on that first, and we click on that second, and now our connection is okay. Now we can connect stock table and product table using one-to-many relationship. All right. Now we want to get it on there. And there, and we can get the GRN table on this. Okay, now we are okay. Now we can see connections. So now we are going to fourth one. So what is the database relationship between product table and customer table? We don't need to write it down in the ER diagram. So now we don't need to write it down. So if I show you, first I will say customer table and product table have main-to-main relationship between those two tables. So main-to-main relationship, when we connect customer table and product table with main-to-many connection, so we can have customer has product table. So I want to explain you about the connection. So I get that table temporary, because we don't need to create this table. You can understand when I'm explaining. So when we connect to this table, so shop owner sells some product to customer, that record goes to this table. So when we sell Samsung A03 to customer, a seller, let's get the B seller. B seller sells Samsung Galaxy 3 to a customer. So now that records goes to this table. So now you can understand this table also look like what table? Invoice table. So we have invoice table already on this. So this table also look like means this table is invoice table. Not also look like, this is actually invoice table. So now you can see many customers can purchase many products and one customer can purchase one product. And also considering this product table side, many products can sell to many customers, many product can sell to one customer. So now you can see it is man-to-man relationship, because also many customers can purchase many products and many products can sell to many customers. So now there are many-to-many relationship. So now we don't need this customer has product table. So we have this invoice table already. So we can connect this invoice table like that using 2 steps. So let's go to fifth question and connect that invoice table with this customer table and product table. So I am step backward. All right. Now I don't have any connection. So now let's go to fifth question and see what's happened there. What is the database relationship between product table and invoice table? Write it down in the R diagram. And also let's get the sixth question. What is the database relationship between customer table and invoice table? So now we need to connect product table and customer table to invoice table. Okay, invoice table is customer has product table. So when we connect product table and customer table using many-to-many relationship, we can have customer has product table. So customer has product table is invoice table. So now we separately design that invoice table. So now we need to connect product. Now we need to connect that table to product and customer table. Write it down in the R diagram. Now let's go to this. Let's don't talk about this customer and invoice table connection. Let's talk about this product and invoice table connection. So now when we sell some product to customer, so we are selling Samsung Galaxy 3 to one unique customer. So that record goes to this invoice table. So now you can see one-to-one relationship. And also let's get Samsung brands. Now let's get Samsung Galaxy 3 and A03, A05 and Samsung Note 5, like that. Let's get some phone brands. Now think another mobile phone seller coming to our shop and buy some product. So now he can buy many Samsung products. So now we need to sell them. Now we need to sell our products to that customer. So we are selling 6 more Samsung brands, but but we are selling to one customer. So now we don't need to give him a lot of invoices. We can give him one invoice including all products. So now you can see we are giving him one invoice, but including more products. So now invoice table. Now let's get to invoice table. We are giving customer one invoice, but invoice table have 6 more records. So now we can say invoice table has many relationships, because if we sell one Samsung brand for customer, so one Samsung brand have 6 more products. So those 6 more products goes to invoice table, but we are selling one Samsung brand only in this product table. So now we can say invoice table has many relationships with this product, considering this product table. And now we can get non-identified relationship, and we are going to this many side is invoice. So we are click on that first, and second, and after that we can click on this product table. And now when we sell product, that record goes to invoice table, because there's foreign key product ID. All right. We have some issues with this primary key. Okay, product ID. Yeah. Now we can close it, and now we can connect it. Now it's all right. All right. So customer table. Let's get the customer table. This is our 6th question. So customer table also have same connection with this invoice table, like product table and invoice table connection. So one customer have one invoice for all products. If he purchase 6 product, he can have one invoice only. When he purchase 6 product, he can't have 6 invoices. That it is not normal. So shop owners doesn't do it. So some customer can come to shop, and if he purchase some 6 products at one time, he purchased Huawei phone and Samsung phone and Apple phone, get 3 products. If he purchased, shop owner give him one invoice, but that invoice include those 3 products. But considering that invoice table, those three products go to invoice table one by one. So there are three records in the invoice table and one record in the customer table. So now you can see invoice table is in many relationship and customer table have one relationship. So we are click on that first, and main side you click on that, and customer side. All right, guys. Now we are okay. Now we connect all tables, and now I am really fluent with this table relationships and explanation, because for today I explained this thing in 4 times, because I practiced this in 4 times, because I practiced this one time, and now I am going to record it. My recorder is not recording, I don't realize it. So I explain whole thing in one time, in 11 a.m. and now I realize it. And after that, I'm so disappointed. I started my session in Zoom meeting. That is not familiar to me, because I don't record. So I don't record anything using Zoom. So in 12 p.m., I started the record, and it is not recording also. And I explain whole thing in that session also. Now this is the fourth time. Fourth time is okay. Yeah, it's recording. I'm so sure, because I can see pause recording option and stop recording option. Okay. Uh, okay. Now I am fluent. Now you can also understand about this, about the connections. What is this relationships? And now we can go database option. And uh, now I already made this database. Uh, I'm going to drop that database really quick. So I'm going to IDSQL and type my password here. Now this is my database, my previous recording database. So that record is not working. So I am going to drop it. So now we can go database option and forward engineer this. And we store our password in wallet. So we don't need to pick all of these. And we have this DDL language. We connect table relationship using GUI option. MySQL software, they connect our tables using relationship using codes. Now you can see concern rate FK invoice product one. That means they connect customer table and invoice table using foreign key. So we also need to know about these DDL things. So we can use command prompt to code them, and I will give you another video for that in my near future. So we don't need this DDL. Next, and forward engineers finish successful, and close it. And now we can go to our database, and I'm refreshing it a little bit. Now our next mobile, where is next mobile DB? Yeah, there is next mobile DB. Now you can see the customer table. Customer table has some columns, and also GRN table. We have foreign key, the supply ID, and invoice table. We have two foreign keys. We can also add foreign keys using this option. Also, we can add foreign keys, and we have supply table, user table, and stock table. All right. Now we are okay. So now we need to save the model. And now I can export this thing as a PNG. And now I have this PNG, previous PNG. Now I need to replace it. Okay. All right, guys. Now our work is good. Now we successfully did this question set 15. You did this in first time. I did 4 times. I'm so happy. I'm not disappointed. I'm so happy. I did this question 4 times. I mean 5 times. I tried this question when lecture give me that paper, and also today I tried that in 4 times. All right, I'm so happy. You are so happy because you know how to connect tables using relationships. All right, guys. I will catch you in my question set 16. So uh, we are uh, we are coming to this question series so far. So now there are 15 question sets, and also you can get some DBMS knowledge using that series, DBMS series. And also if you need to make your own e-commerce platform, I mean like AliExpress or eBay, so you can follow my eShop application development series. We have 52 videos in my series. So you can follow these 252 videos and also get some knowledge and make your own e-shop application, make your own e-commerce application. So, and also DBMS knowledge, you really need DBMS knowledge to make your own e-commerce application. So that way you need to follow this thing also. So, all right, guys, thank you for supporting me. Now I have 50 subscribers, so I'm so happy, and it's a little step for new YouTube channel. Uh, so thanks all support and all likes, all appreciates, and I will catch you guys in my 16 video. So now I'm going to wind up my session. Peace.